Hello students, in last video we discussed about the prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides square. Square of their corresponding sides we discussed. Now the continuation is corresponding. Now the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. Squares of their corresponding altitudes, medians and angular bisectors also. All conditions will satisfy here. So prove that here. To prove that, just I am proving here. Next concept, remaining only corollaries I write. I don't prove that one. You practice yourself on those one. Given is a triangle PQR reverse I'm taking here ABC. Given is a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. Now since they are similar, the ratios are equal. So PQ by AB is equal to QR by BC is equal to PR by AC. And also angle B is equal to angle A, angle B, angle Q is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle R. Now PM is perpendicular to PQR and also EAD is perpendicular to BC. Here only one altitude I am proving, rest of the from three vertices, three altitudes exist. Only one you can prove enough. Second, third, similarly. Okay. Now required to prove is area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC is equal to PM square by AD square. PM square by AD square. Now proof. Are you able to understand here? PQR and ABC are the two similar triangles. As per the similarity condition, PQ by AB is equal to PR by AC is equal to QR by BC. Angle Q is equal to angle B, angle R is equal to angle C, angle A is equal to angle P. So PM is perpendicular. Altitude I have to prove no square of their altitude. No, this PM is the altitude and AD is the one altitude. Only one altitude I am going to prove here. Rest of the remaining two you can similarly write. So now PQM triangle and triangle ABD triangle. In triangle PQM and triangle ABD, angle Q is equal to angle B. Since it is altitude, perpendicularity 90 degrees here. Angle PMQ is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. PMQ is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. By angle similarity. By angle similarity, triangle PQM is similar to triangle ABD. Okay. since Q is equal to B and this angle is equal to this angle 90 degrees, so therefore these two triangles are similar. Since they are similar, their corresponding sides ratios are equal. So PQ by AB is equal to PM by AD is equal to QM by BD. PQ by AB is equal to PM by AD is equal to QM by BD. Now, what I required here? Area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, here base is QR and height is PM, half into, in this one base is BC, height is AD, half cancel. Now area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC is equal to, this can be written as a QR by BC into PM by AD. Now QR by BC can be written as a PQ by AD or not? So replace that one. PM by, sorry, PQ by AB. PQ by AB into PM by AD. Again, PQ by AB can be replaced with the PM by AD because I need altitude. So I am replacing that. So PM by AD into PM by AD. Therefore, area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC is equal to PM square by AD square. PM square by AD square. One altitude only I proved, remaining two also similar way. So note down this. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. So PQR and ABC are similar triangles. So I have to prove that the ratio of this triangle area and this triangle area is equal to square of their altitude. One altitude only I am proving here. Now in this one, PM is altitude and AD is the altitude of this triangle. Now first I proved this triangle and this triangle are similar by AA similarity. This angle equal to this angle 90, 90. So these two triangles are similar. So PQ by AB is equal to PM by AD. Now what I require here? Area of this triangle by area of this triangle. What is area of the triangle formula? Half into base into height. Half into base is QR, height is PM. Half into base is BC and height is AD. Now half cancel, QR by BC into PM by AD. QR by BC is nothing but a PQ by AD. PQ by AB, replace it, into PM by AD. Now PQ by AD is nothing but a PM by AD. PM by AD into PM by AD. That is equal to PM square by AD square. So this is the about the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. In the same way we can do rest of the parts also, but you prove yourself on that. For a few points I will write. Next point is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding medians. Next one is the ratio areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding angular bisectors. Angle bisectors segments. Angular bisectors are angle bisector segments. First one is just I'll prove it. I'll show that one. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These are the two similar triangles. And AD is the median. Means median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Means BD is equal to DC. Another one is PN is another median. QN is equal to NR. So now I have to prove that area of this triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to median is this one now AD square by PN square I have to prove. That is first one. And the second one is ABC triangle and DEF triangle. These two are similar. Now angle B is the angular bisector and BB is the angular bisector and EQ is the another angular bisector here. So now area of ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BP square by EQ square I have to put. BP square by EQ square, that is the angle bisector segment means BP square by EQ square. Median square means AD square by PN square. Am I clear? So I'll move to the next applications on this class. Now see here, first question. Applications. Now based on these concepts applications, ABC and DEF are two similar triangles. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that BC is equal to 4 centimeters, EF is equal to 5 centimeters and area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeters square. Then find area of triangle DEF. Then find area of triangle DEF. See here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. BC is equal to 4 centimeters, EF is equal to 5 centimeters, and area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeters square. Then find area of triangle DEF. Simple concept which I used, which I explained the previous concept that only apply here. Only application is one. Now given is what they given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF given. BC is equal to 4 centimeters. EF is equal to 5 centimeters. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeters square. Just now I proved that the ratio of the two similar triangles areas is equal to the square of their corresponding square sides, or square of their corresponding altitudes, or square of their corresponding medians, or square of their corresponding angle bisector segments. So using that concept here, sides now, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to, rough diagram to draw here. Now here given side is BC and EF they given. So use that side only. So using that, BC square by EF square, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. ABC triangle already they given 64 by area of triangle DEF I don't know, and BC means 4 square by 5 square. Now 64 by area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 by 25. Now cross multiply here, 16 into area of triangle DEF is equal to 64 into 25. 16 ones are 16 fours are. So area of triangle DEF is equal to, area of triangle DEF is equal to 25 fours are 100 centimeters square. So reason here, triangle ABC, triangle DEF are two similar triangles are given. So BC line segment and EF line segment lengths given. This area given 64 cm square. As per my previous concept here, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. Sir, why sir BC square by EF square? You can write AB square by DE square. Yes, you can write. But here they given BC and EF are the sides, corresponding sides given. So bases given. So that I took that only. BC square by EF square, that is 64 by area of triangle DEF is equal to 4 square by 5 square. That is 64 by area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 by 25. 16 into area of triangle DEF is equal to 64 into 25. If I simplify here 16 ones are 16 fours are. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 100 centimeters square. Is it clear? Please write down. Next problem. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. If DE is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, and area of triangle ADE is equal to 25 centimeter square, and find area of triangle ABC. See here, in triangle ABC, little different, same question, but they did not give two different triangles. So ABC triangle, DE is parallel to BC they given. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC means by parallel property, angle D is equal to angle B. Corresponding angles. Angle ADE is angle ACB, corresponding angles. Parallel line properties, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, these two angles equal, these two angles equal in triangle ADE and triangle ABCC here. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, angle AED is equal to angle ACB. So by AEA similarity means you need to prove that they are similar. They did not mention anywhere in the question they are similar. AEA similarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Without proving, if you can't apply the formula direct, because in the question anywhere they did not mention they are similar. They are similar anywhere they did not mention. Previous question it was similarity condition they given, so direct I applied. But here you can't apply the similarity condition until and unless you prove that they are similar. Okay. DE parallel to BC, corresponding angles equal. So this triangle and this whole triangle are similar. Since they are similar, the ratios are equal. Means AD by AB is equal to DE by BC is equal to AE by AC. Now you use that one. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. This bigger triangle and then smaller triangle. You can use smaller triangle by bigger triangle. No issue that is. Now BC square by DE square. Since they given BC and DE lengths, so I use those only. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to AD is equal to how much they given? 25 centimeters they given. Here another given information is BC is equal to 8 centimeters, DE is equal to 4 centimeters. Area of triangle ADE is equal to 25 centimeters square. Substitute here area of triangle ABC by area of triangle AD is 25 is equal to BC square 8 square by 4 square. Now area of triangle ABC by 25 is equal to 64 by 4. Sorry, 16. Now transpose this one 4 16 1 16 4 does. Area of triangle ABC by 25 is equal to 4. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 into 25 is equal to 100 centimeters square. 100 centimeters square. Okay. So DE parallel to BC, DE is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, AD is equal to 25 centimeters. They given anywhere in the question they did not mention they are similar. Since they are parallel, their corresponding angles are equal. Parallel property I used and I proved that this triangle and this whole triangle are similar. Afterwards they given these values. So that I used area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE is equal to BC square by DE square. That is area of triangle ABC by 25 is equal to 8 square by 4 square. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 by 16, 16 1 16 4 hours. So area of triangle ABC by 25 is equal to 4. Cross multiply 425 as 100 centimeters square. Okay, and this question is different from the previous question. Previous question they mentioned similarities, but here anywhere they did not mention similar. They are similar. I proved that they are similar. After that only you can apply. Without proving this, you can't apply the similarity condition here. Am I right? Am I clear? So without proving the similarity, you can't apply this concept, this formula. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Please note down. Still any doubts are there, please text me.